I'll quickly show how I use ZipWall poles to set up a temporary spray booth in the garage. You can get them in a 10 or 12 foot length. Those are my preferred versions, and all you need to get started is at least 4 of these ZipWall poles and some painter's plastic. I've tried a few different brands of these dust barrier poles, and I like the ones that are simple with just a twist lock. They kind of remind me of my long reach painting poles that you might use to, roll paint on the ceiling. But what these have that the others don't is a spring action, and so that makes it really easy to set. Plus they have these clips at the top, and that just lets you actually attach the plastic right to it. So I just think it makes it a little easier to control your setup. Just pop the pads on top of each pole to get started, and they'll snap into place. And those just slide off to the side to remove that clip, and all you do is just place your plastic right on top and then reinstall the clip. Slide that to the side and you're pretty well in business. You can get them in a 10 or a 12 foot version. I like the 12 foot just because you never know what kind of a ceiling height you're going to encounter. Of course, you have to extend the top part first, otherwise you'll kind of run out of reach. Then you can work on extending the bottom section. Just extend the pole and roughly position it where you want, and then just engage that spring and go ahead and twist lock it, and that's basically all there is to it. And once I have the top positioned where I want it, I like to reset the bottom of the pole so it's standing on the plastic. Just helps to pin everything in place. Looks good. And now you've got a legitimate enclosure that has a zipper on both sides. Nice and convenient. Overall, it's just a really slick system, and it's become one of my favorites for quickly setting up my spray booth. But perhaps the best feature of all is that spring-loaded action, which helps you quickly secure the plastic without even getting on a ladder. The kit comes with a 2-pack of standard zippers, and those work pretty well, as well as a 4-pack of these floor grip attachments. Nice if you have plastic over a carpet that would otherwise slide around a little bit. Comes with 4 of those. Or you can upgrade to a heavy-duty zipper, which is a little bit wider and sometimes easier to set up. So if you're looking to keep things extra tidy on your next spray job, I would definitely recommend these ZipWall poles. They have that spring-loaded mechanism, which is a really great feature, and I like to get them either in the 10 or 12 foot length. Highly recommended.